Good morning, dear students. It's English time, and today we are going to talk about modal verbs of probability. Ողջույն սիրելի աշակերտներ, այսօր մենք խոսելու ենք հավանականություն ցույց տվող modal բայերի մասին. Together, we will learn the meaning of modal verbs of probability. We will learn the usage of modal verbs of probability, and we'll do a little bit practice on modal verbs of probability. So, as I said, they show probability. Նրանք ցույց են տալիս հավանականություն. What are the chances? They are like 52%, 28%, 20%, but they are not 100% right. It must be models of possibility. Might, may, could, must, can't. Like we can say, you can't be quiet. Or we can say, you must be joking. Let's go deep into these modal verbs of probability. Now let's talk about modal verbs of probability in depth. There are several modal verbs used to show possibility. They are might, may, could, can, can't. And we use modal verbs of probability when we want to make a guess about something. We choose the verb depending on how sure we are. Այսպիսով, սիրելի աշակերտներ, մենք կարող ենք ընտրել modal բայը, կախված նրանից, թե ինչքան վստահ ենք եւ թե ինչպես ենք մենք մտածում տվյալ հարցի շուրջ. So, let's read these examples. If we don't hurry, we could be late. So, we use might, may, could to say that something is possible but not certain. We use could plus verb, which is not as strong as may and might. Could գումարած բայը այնքան ուժեղ չէ, որքան may-ը եւ might-ը. We can use can to make general statements about what is possible. Let's look at the first example. It can be too cold here in winter. It means that it is sometimes too cold here in winter. It's a general statement. Next example. She can easily get lost in this city. It means people often get lost in this city. It's again a general statement. Now let's talk about impossibility. We use can't plus verb to say that something is impossible. Մենք օգտագործում ենք can't գումարած բայ ցույց տալու համար, որ ինչ-որ բան անհավանական է. Let's read the examples. It can't be serious. That can't be true. Չի կարող դա լուրջ լինել. Դա չի կարող ճիշտ լինել. Next, we can use modal verbs to show certainty. We use must plus verb when we are almost sure of the information. Մենք օգտագործում ենք must գումարած բայ, երբ մենք գրեթե վստահ ենք, որ դա ինֆորմացիան ճշմարիտ է. The flight takes 2 hours. They must be in Spain by now. The speaker is almost sure. So, dear friends, we should remember that we use can, have, could have done, might have done to speak about things that were possible but didn't happen. Jane might have gone to France, but she didn't. She must have done well on the test, but she didn't. Peter could have arrived late, but he didn't. So, my dear friends, today we learned the meaning and the usage of modal verbs of probability, and we did a little bit practice. Thank you so much for being with me. Keep exploring the world.